Excerpt from the New Human Revolution, Volume 25, Chapter Light of Happiness by Daisaku Ikeda. On March 12, 1977, Sensei Ikeda presided over a commemorative Gongyo session to celebrate the opening of the Fukushima Culture Center in Japan. In his noteworthy address to representatives of the men's and women's divisions, Sensei said, "From the day I became president until today, I've never relaxed. This is because of my belief that I can't be happy until all Soka Gakkai members become happy. To do otherwise would disqualify me as a genuine leader, in my opinion." When I hear about overbearing leaders who are causing distress to the members, it pains me terribly. I have always said to myself that there is no reason for the Soka Gakkai president to exist unless all our members are happy and leading pleasant lives brimming with good fortune. I'm here in Fukushima because I feel an overwhelming responsibility to see to it that all of you can say from the bottom of your hearts that you're glad you're practicing this Buddhism, that you're Soka Gakkai members, and that you've become so happy and fortunate. That's the spirit of the Soka Gakkai president. Shinichi Yamamoto, the pen name of Sensei Ikeda, then went on to speak of the significance of Soka Gakkai activities. The Soka Gakkai is a gathering of bodhisattvas of the earth advancing Kosen Rufu in accord with Nichiren Daishonin's teachings. Buddhist practice today is embodied in Soka Gakkai activities. Soka Gakkai activities illuminate the direct path to absolute happiness, transforming people's lives, building a prosperous society, and establishing world peace. These activities may seem ordinary and inconspicuous, but they are the actions of the Buddha's emissaries and the noble endeavor of bodhisattvas of the earth. That's why exerting ourselves earnestly in activities enables us to manifest the great life state of Buddhas and bodhisattvas. It purifies our lives and imbues us with joy and good fortune. Wishing his listeners to understand the strict Buddhist law of cause and effect, Shinichi spoke of how practitioners of Nichiren Buddhism should lead their lives. Having practiced Buddhism for 30 years, I've reached the conclusion that to live based on faith, we must always advance in pure, sincere accord with the Daishonin's writings. In addition, the direction of our lives is influenced by our good fortune. An attitude of appreciation is important for accumulating good fortune. Even though we take part in Soka Gakkai activities, if we are always complaining and negative, will extinguish the good fortune we should be accumulating. In contrast, if we have gratitude for the Gohonzon, the Daishonin, and the Soka Gakkai which help us develop our faith, and start each day with a positive commitment to doing our part as an emissary of the Buddha, will experience great joy. And that attitude will enable us to acquire benefit and good fortune. Looking intently at each person there, Shinichi said, "I pray daily that each and every one of you, without exception, will demonstrate actual proof of your human revolution and lead a happy life, so that you can say proudly that you've lived the best and most meaningful life possible without any regrets. As a Soka Gakkai member, that is my greatest wish. I will spare no effort or struggle to make that a reality. I'll fight with my very life to protect you. I'll work tirelessly. I wish to repay you all for your efforts so far." Understanding Shinichi's feelings, the members felt tears well up in their eyes.